Drink soy milk, oat milk, rice milk, almond milk. Don't steal milk from a cow. Be vegan, start right now. Follow that vegan teacher. She will show you how.
Hello students, welcome to class. Today we're not going to be doing anything except watch Bella play with her friend Max. Now at the moment we are at my mother-in-law's place. She lives in an apartment under us, which is connected to us, and I've moved the table out of the way and put some pillows on the couch with the hope that they won't jump on there. And they have this great carpet that they love to wrestle on. And the purpose of this video is really just to show you that Bella is a completely normal dog. She's been vegan since August 2017, and we think she's about 7 years old. We adopted her, so we weren't for sure, like really sure, but Max is about 2 years old, so he's much younger than her, so he has a lot more energy. But Bella's doing fine. She's managing to hang in there, and you can see that he likes playing with her. He throws himself on his back, and they make a lot of noise, and sometimes it sounds very scary, but they are really great friends. Another reason that we are here and not outside is that here in Canada today it's very hot, and in this basement it's kind of nice and cool. So one of the things that Bella likes to do with Max for some reason is to grab him by the neck. And at first, I have to admit, I was kind of worried about that. I was like, what is she doing to him? But you can see he's just lying there, and he just puts his stomach up after. He's not upset by it at all. And there's some water in the corner there that she's going to drink. He already had some before. So I wanted to just let you know that Bella has been vegan, like I said, and that she has been eating dog food, which is very similar to another dog's food. It's dog food that looks like regular kibble. When you see the bag, it has these little brown pieces like any other dog food, except it is based with only plants. So there are no dead animal body parts in it. There are no eggs, there's no meat, there's no dairy, nothing like that. So you can see now Bella throws herself down, exposes her belly. That means she's trusts him as he bites her neck, and his tail is waving, and her tail is waving, and they are really just good buddies who are just getting a little bit of a workout here, which is great because in the winter we can let them off leash in certain parks, but in the summer it's sometimes muddy and sometimes really hot, and so this is a great play date. So I let them play and wrestle for about 10 minutes or something like that, and then they take breaks. Sometimes they just lie down and hang out, and then they get back into wrestling after. If you have a dog who is vegan, let me know in the comments. What kind of dog food do you feed your dog? Is there a special brand that you buy? There are many brands on the market. One of them is called Gather. You have to look for the vegan version of it though, of course. And another one is called Evolution. There's also V-Dog. And there's Benevo. There's quite a few different ones. Just basically Google vegan dog food, vegan pet food, and you'll see that you can find something for your dogs. I mean, why pay for murder if you don't have to? They take a lot of different breaks to drink, so I filled the bucket up there, the bowl up quite high with some water. And I'm just going to show you a little quick table here to show you some other things that I've decorated on this table. If you ever want to do some art, this is a way to talk about veganism, to basically get the message out there. This one says, don't ask me why I'm vegan, ask yourself why you are not. And the reason that Bella is vegan is because we didn't want to pay people to hurt animals on her behalf. And at first, like you are probably thinking, I was a little bit worried, how could she be vegan? But you can see she's perfectly fine, and she eats no meat. So the food is all based on plants. It is filled with enough nutrients in it, has all the vitamins, minerals, and enough protein in there. So what do you guys think? Surely when you watch this, you must think to yourself, okay, those crazy rumors were obviously not true. I mean, you can see Bella is still alive. She's just as able to play with Max as she was several years ago. I think it's so important that dogs have playmates, because no matter how many walks you take them on, it's never the same as when they have a buddy that they can use full body to wrestle with, and it also engages their mind. They're always trying to figure out, okay, should I bite here? Should I move here? It is a great way to tire out your dog and to help to socialize them. And one of the things I notice in neighborhoods is that sadly many people get dogs just for themselves. They do it for selfish reasons because they want a partner to walk with. And then their dogs are ending up sort of being slaves on a leash all the time, which I know we have to keep our dogs on a leash. It's the law. But it's still sad if they don't have other playmates to wrestle with. So I encourage you, if you have a dog and there's other dogs in your neighborhood, get them together for play dates like this. This rug that we got was something that somebody was actually just throwing out. And we washed it, and it's perfectly great for the dogs to play on. It gives them sort of a base. You can see they're always drawn to it because they can dig in their heels there, and it's not like the floor that's so slippery. And so if you manage to get a rug like this, you see somebody throwing one out, of course, make sure you clean it really well so it doesn't have like any bugs in it or dirt or whatever. And we cleaned this, for example, outside with a hose, sprayed it really well and cleaned it. And now it is a little arena for them to play in. It's like the perfect place, and they get an amazing workout here. They burn a ton of calories with their constant biting at each other and pawing at each other and pushing each other over and throwing themselves upside down. So anyway, I just wanted to show you Bella and her friend Max today to let you know that she is okay. And if you are interested in keeping track of Bella, you can certainly subscribe to this channel. I'm very open about what's going on with her. There's nothing to hide. I'm not saying that she's stronger or better than any other dog. I'm just saying she's normal. As you can see, she's just fine. So if you like this channel, if you find there's value in it, if you're learning something, or if you find it interesting, please consider subscribing. Many of you are watching this channel on a regular basis, but you haven't yet subscribed, so please do so. And also, press the notification bell. That way you'll get notifications every time a new video goes up. You have to also adjust your phone for that to accept notifications. And then you can come in the comment section when there's a premiere, and you can comment and tell me a little bit about your dog, and you can get to know other vegans. And if you have any questions, there are vegan animal rights activists in the comment section, usually during a premiere, who can help you and give you ideas. Okay? So thanks again for being here. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.
Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now.